everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome back for another video. This is part 2 of One Day Savings. I did part 1 already. I had to do that one. I had to get to some of those projects. Some of these are really cool too though. I'm telling you what, they have great stuff. One of my tips is I always like to go into, say they have a category for special drill. You go into special drill and usually there's a filter. You can hit a little button there. And when you filter, you can filter it out for newest to oldest, and then you'll get all the new stuff come up. I do the same thing when I go into like diamond art crafts. Look for new to old, look for that filter, and then I find all the new stuff, and that's what I'm looking for, is the new things. So I have new things here. These companies also have cross stitch. They have yarny things. If you type in crochet in the search engine, they'll bring up yarn and hooks and all kinds of stuff. I got these today to show you. So welcome. If you've never been here before, there's some little tips for you. And I hope that you like the content and you stick around to see more, because I do all kinds of things. So classical, the traditional style of classical craft scissors, elegant design, unique shape. These caught my eye. I got a pair of scissors once already, and they're smaller than this. There is some heft to these scissors. Let me tell you, they are a little bit weighty. Now look at how large that pair of scissors is. The ones that I have currently are probably about this long. They're not quite as large, the handle area and stuff, but they're beautiful. And these are sharp. I vouch for them. They're sharp. I just had one of the grandkids bring them to me this morning. I said, please be careful. They're very sharp. They're very pointy here and they're super sharp. They cut like a dream. These are so nice. I vouch for these 100%. I wasn't too happy the one day that my husband decided to cut fishing line with them, but you know, anyhow, love these. Aren't they pretty? I love the flowers. These are gorgeous. And they were so reasonably priced. I will link them below so you can check them out. They really were a good deal. Love them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. What else do we have? Let's do a painting first. Why not? Let's do a painting. They have a whole bunch of birds. And these are perfect. These rounds like this, I think these are perfect if you want to cut them out and mount them on something so that they just pop. I think that's a wonderful idea. I think these are gorgeous. There's a cardinal, there's a blue jay. There were all kinds of things. This little blue jay or cardinal is hanging out with, like, I think they're apple blossoms or cherry blossoms, one of the two. I love it. There are 12 different drill shapes here. I mean, we got some here in the tail, here for the feet. I see D, I see A, B, C, and D for sure are special drills, and the rest are rhinestones. So let's check it out. All right, let's see what we have. What colors do we have? What are our special drills? I like how this has like the stained glass effect through here without having to like diamond paint the whole thing in stained glass. It does it for you. Okay, here we go. What do we have? Beautiful purpley pink color. I don't know what you call that. It's purple. Red, clear. That's a gray, green, light pink, blue, a little bit of black. Then we have a few shards. So my guess is that's for the feet, which I like that for the feet. I mean, I'm kind of over the orange claw looking things for feet and stuff. I like that. That's cool. Some smooth pink marquees. Those are pretty. Iridescent green marquee and smooth red marquee. Love it. I like it. I will link these below. Like I said, there are several different options. They may come up in a group. Make sure you get the one you want. All right. Little tip there. All right. Let's look at something else. What else do we have here? What else do we have? These come individual, and there are multiple varieties. So we got to hunt around. This is in the craft section, diamond painting crafts. So you got to look around. All right, it's a beautiful butterfly. It is a double-sided butterfly. Look, this side looks like the butterfly and this side is flowers. I have seen this in larger hangings. This is a smaller one. I've seen them in stickers, these butterflies that are like dual-sided like that. They're all really pretty. This one would be what, a swallowtail? Yeah, I think that's a swallowtail. It comes with a little bag of goodies here. You have some things to hang off the top, your chain, some things to dangle off the bottom. So it's going to be like a dangling spinner type thing. Perfect for putting outside, which I do. I'll just seal this. I use the polyacrylic in the blue can. It seals it beautifully. And then I've been putting them outside. The one thing that will happen is your chain and stuff will rust. I mean, I've had stuff outside since last summer. I did bring it in over the winter, but I put it back out this summer and it still looks great. Hasn't lost any drills. I mean, I've got some hummingbirds that hang outside. I've got a couple little wind chimey things that hang outside. They're great. I mean, I figure why not? It's what they're for. Use them, enjoy them. All right, we have clear crystals, green. Ooh, love those. Those little snowflake things, those are beautiful. Love those. Yellow, black, some gold marquee. Oh, we have slivers on that puppy. Ooh, oh, probably for those flowers. Oh, yeah. Pink marquee, and look at those. Those are some of my favorites. Those fiery orange. Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah, those slivers are definitely going to be for these flowers here. These itty bitty little flowers here, all the way around there and there and there. Oh yeah, two sides. Woo! We're ready for some sliver action. Okay, sliver action. All right, let's do another painting. This one screams fall. There were a few. There were a couple of these fall-looking ones. That looks like an orange, doesn't it? That looks like a tomato. I don't know if it is or not, but that's what it looks like. But what pretty, pretty flowers and oranges and reds. And there's 13 different drills for this. Look at the specials. C's and D's and A. All those pretty specials on there. There's quite a few of them out of the 13. All right, let's look at them and see what they are. We want to know what they are. Love the colors of this. Love the colors. I mean, it is still full-blown spring here, but you know, fall is just around the corner. Okay, here we go. Beautiful orange rhinestones. Love those. And a yellow and a red. And this is kind of like a amber color, light. Another orange, a green, a clear, and some black. Here's the specials now. Round faceted gold, faceted gold marquee, smooth round red, and smooth round marquee, both in red. And then these beautiful green faceted iridescent green. Love it. So those will probably show up in the leaves, right? I'm sure there'll be leaves. Okay, there we go. That one's all set to put back in the package. One more item to show you for this part 2, and I'm excited to see these. I love everything I got from One Day Savings. Everything. So, you know what this means? It means keychains. There's our hooks and our chains. Love it. Let's look at the keychains first. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I have a couple sets of keychains set aside to do for Smashing the Specials. I hope I get to them. I just finished coasters. Where is my opening? Like, seriously, come on. I just finished a set of coasters that I'd had sitting around for a long time, and they turned out great. I love them. The only issue I had is that you put cork on the back, and the cork shows through because they're not round. They're a shaped coaster. So it shows through. I spent the morning putting them on and cutting out all the cork that was showing. Look at that. Look at it. It's a cowboy boot and a hat. I love it. Love it. Isn't it cute? These are double-sided on acrylic. Love them. Absolutely love them. So one side always turns out better than the other. This side always is better than the other side because you're directly on that symbol. This side, I don't know, they can get off a little bit. Excuse me. Another pair of boots, another hat, sunflowers. Love these. Love them. How cute. Okay, how's this one go? Here we go. Goes like this. This one's boots, hat, sunflowers, in the horseshoe. In a horseshoe. Love it. Boots, hat. Cute. Excuse me. This one's probably my favorite. I think that's my favorite. It has the most sunflowers. It has teal on the boots. Love that one. Love it. What's this one? How many are in this set? I'm still going. There we go. There's that one. There's 7. Cute. Super cute. All different styles of boots and things like that. Aren't they lovely? I think they're so cute. I like that pair of boots with the flowers on them. I don't know which one's my favorite. I really don't. I like all of them. I like them all. All right. When you look at these drills, you just follow whatever on the keychain. The bag will tell you, and I do, this is what I do. I do all of them at the same time. I do one color. So, for example, I'll take my 1. Is there a 1? No. This one is A, or plus. So my first one is a plus, which is a gray. So I would look at that gray, and I would look at each keychain, and I would find the pluses. And not all of them will have it. Like that one has no pluses, okay? So I search around until I find all the pluses, and I do all of the pluses first. Some people would kit these up and, do one keychain at a time, look for the color they need. I just think it's easier to do one whole color and find all of them, all of that symbol. That's kind of like a light tan, orange, a deeper brown, another orangish color, a reddish brown, light blue, some beautiful teal, a little bit of yellow. So those are our drill colors, which is interesting. A lot of browns and tans with some yellows in there. And then we have a couple of bluish colors for those flowers. We have some really light yellow marquee, some blue marquees, and we have these crystal on the bottom, gold on the top. So that's our drills. I think they're super cool. I love these. I think they're going to turn out great. What do you think? I love them. All right. I've got several sets of keychains set aside to finish for Smashing the Specials. I got to get to them. I have a set in my box. I have a box of goodies, and I have one set aside. I'm going to put these with that. Okay. Love it. What do you think? What's your favorite? Tell me your favorite, and let me know what you think. Everything will be linked below. All right. So that you can go pick out some for yourself. Okay. All right. That's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back and see more stuff later. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.